am going to draw Among Us. Oh, it's loading. So I was saying that we are going to draw Among Us today. I am going to share easiest way to draw Among Us, and it's done. So I have started drawing, and first I am going to draw with the pencil, and I'm going to draw it roughly so it's easy for you and also me to understand. So you have to draw the head first. It's basically like the opposite U. So now I'm drawing the legs, and here is it. I'm doing everything step by step so you can understand it easily. But here's a little request from you guys that please watch my video till end. So here I have made the legs, and now I'm drawing its eye. So I am almost done with the eye, and now I'm drawing its back like that. And it's also easy to draw. You can even draw it by yourself. And now here is my pen, which is going to help me to outline it. So I have started outlining, and I'm so focused because I usually make mistakes in outlining. So here I have changed my pen because I don't know why my first pen was not working. So here I've taken second pen, and here I'm drawing the eye. And I don't know what I did with the eye, but it's okay. As you can see how terrible it's looking, but fine. So I have drawn everything, and now I have started coloring it with brush pens, and my favorite markers are brush pens. You know, it's so satisfying to use brush pens. If you're an artist and use brush pens, then you know how satisfying it is. So I have started coloring it from lighter shade to darker shade, and it looks more attractive, you know. And basically, it's giving the highlights to my drawing. So I'm coloring the head, and it is almost done. You can see in the video. So I have started coloring with the dark red marker. As I told you that I am coloring from lighter shade to darker shade, which is basically the highlights. So I am done with the leg, and now I'm using color pencil red. I am using this because it helps to make your color blend easily. Here are the 3 pens which I used to make its body. So I have started coloring its eye with light blue color, and as you can see, I left a little bit space, and here I'm now going to color with the dark blue for more highlights. And here is it. I'm coloring the dark blue. So as you can see, I am done with the dark blue too. And now I use these 2 markers to make its eye. So now I'm doing its back. I'm coloring it with light red and dark red, as I did in its body. So I did these 3 colors, and here I made an emergency button. If you didn't subscribe, then this guy will press the emergency button. So what you are waiting for? Just subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye.